Hello, this is Vicki LaRoe. I just wanted to do this quick video just to show you how gorgeous our new little Happy Easter Crystal Collection palette is. This is just the beginning of it. I started making some new palettes for spring, and I don't know, I just went off on a little tangent, kind of different for us, where I just found a lot of soft, muted pastels that mix together really beautifully, you know, where normally it would be, you know, a little crazy, but I think this all works really, really lovely. And so this is our new Happy Easter Crystal Collection palette, which is just out for a limited time, or there's a limited, of course, amount of them. And I made this kind of darling little bracelet project with it. I just think it's really adorable. And so you can add on this little multi-bracelet kit, and each of these use about 50 crystals, and your palettes have over 250, so technically you could make like 5 of them. But with the bracelet kit, you'll get enough stringing to do 5 bracelets, all the little spacer beads, the components, and the head pins, and of course all the instructions. And you know, what's kind of fun is I've just been going through a lot of my crystal strands to put them on sale, and this little strand of Magic Green has pink in it. And so when I was looking at it, I thought, what am I ever going to do with Magic Green and pink? It's kind of a weird combination until I put it in here, and then she's perfect. And so that's what kind of led to this little design where I've used, you know, 3 of that larger 6mm crystal in the palette, and then I kept stringing and made this one. So I just think it's really, really fun. I will do extended video showing how to string this and finish this off and do all the completion, that kind of thing, in just a couple days. But I wanted to get this palette out and available to everyone and make this just really quick video to show you all just how beautiful the colors are. So I will see you again very soon. Enjoy and grab one of them while you can. Bye. Sparkle brightly.